Welcome to Browser in Seconds. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to search open tabs here in Google Chrome. So for example, you have multiple tabs open and then sometimes like if you add more, so as you can see like the tab preview shrinks, so sometimes you can't see the full title of that particular website. So to search open tabs, so on the upper left corner, click this arrow down, tab search, or you can also use the keyboard shortcut key Control Shift A. And then these are all the open tabs and these are the recently closed. But like for example, like there are really a lot of tabs open. So you can just click for example Amazon. So it will show and then you can click on that one and then it will redirect you to that particular tab, to that open tab. And there you have it. Thank you and see you in the next video.